folks, welcome back to the Ranch Network. And today we have something special for you guys, a product review. The Saker mini electric chainsaw, 4 inches long, tons of power. It's got a 20-volt battery that comes with it. It comes with a power cord. It comes with oil. It comes with some tools. It comes with a lot of things. It feels great in the hand. It's lightweight. It's like 1.1 kilograms. So what really matters is that when we put it to the test, it could perform. So with that being said, let's go out here because I've got a challenge for the Saker mini electric chainsaw. So on the ranch right now, we've got a huge project going on. We're gonna convert these old horse stables into an amazing plant nursery. And I've got about 3 weeks to do it before the first frost. I need to hurry up, I need to get things done. So I'm hoping that the Saker mini electric chainsaw can help me do the task here of cutting down all these trees, get rid of them, make the fence line look good again. Yeah, I want to see if it can do the job. I want to see what it can do. Let's get to it. I love it. It already comes with its own oil. I don't have to go buy it. It comes with it in the box. How cool is that? Let's get started. I need some hydration. I need to take lunch. I got a lot done though. Look at this. It looks amazing. But you know what? It's still going. I've got great endurance. I've got great stamina. But the Saker mini electric chainsaw has more. I'm impressed. This still has a lot of power. It doesn't need to be recharged yet at all. It can still keep going. But unfortunately, I can't because I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, and I expended a lot of energy out here, and this thing just outperformed me. I'm telling you what, this is an amazing mini chainsaw. We've used other types before, believe it. We've got another brand, but this has more power. It has longer lasting battery, and it's just way better. It's amazing. So I highly recommend it. With that being said, I gotta go get lunch, folks. See ya.